Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will going to show you how I made chili potato, which is Indo-Chinese dish. You can follow this simple recipe if you want to prepare. Take 4 to 5 medium sized potatoes and cut into thin strips. So the size has to be like this, like potato wedges or french fries. See you in 5 minutes. So now I have boiled out all the potatoes which I cut it off, and you have to boil them until 75%. Don't overboil it as we need to fry it later. In a separate pan, heat 1 or 2 tablespoons of oil. Add minced garlic, ginger and green chilies. And saute for a minute. Add sliced onions, bell pepper and the white part of spring onion. Stir fry until the vegetables are slightly tender. Now I am adding ginger garlic paste, which is really good in Chinese food. Fry it well as it will going to mix with vegetables. Now we will going to add soya sauce. Take 2 spoons of cornflour. And water as much as you want to make our sauce more thicker. And now mix it well and let it simmer for a couple of minutes. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of chili paste, red chili paste, to make it more spicy. Mix it well and saute for a minute. Now it's almost ready. Now I'm adding 1 little pinch of sugar in it. Now again I'm taking 2 tablespoons of corn flour. To toss the potato strips, you have to mix the corn flour with salt, black pepper and the powder. Also I am mixing with baking powder separately. Just heat oil for a deep frying. Just coat it well and deep fry it. Fry the potato strips until they are golden brown and crispy. Remove and set aside. I have prepared all the potato strips and now adding bell pepper and onions into our sauce and mixing it well. Now adding fried potato strips to the sauce mixture. Toss until the potatoes are well coated. And garnish over the green part of spring onion. You can serve this dish as appetizer or a side dish. Let me know how you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the other video. Bye.